Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a DIY video. I'm going to share with you how I made these drop cloths into curtains in my living room. I'm sure that you guys have seen this before, but I wanted to bring you along and show you how I did it. I bought 4 of these drop cloths. They're 6 by 9 feet and they were roughly 10 bucks each. And I laid each of them out flat on the floor as you see here, and then I folded the top down to the desired length, which you can do whatever fits your window. I did right at 2 feet, and then I bought some clip rings that I am just clipping right across the top of the curtain here, just kind of evenly spacing them. They are round at the top just like that, and they go over the curtain rod, and then the little piece clips right to the top of the curtain. It makes it super easy to put it together. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And right here I'm using this glass cleaner. I just realized that I didn't clean the glass yet, so that's what I'm doing here. I love how this glass cleaner works, and it smells amazing too, so that's a plus. But I'm going to clean the windows here real quick, and then I'll get the rest of the curtains hung. And here's without any extra light, closing them up just to see how much light they actually keep out of the room. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I'm super loving them. I'm not sure with this last curtain panel, there's like a seam that runs through the middle or something. That's the only drop cloth that came with that in the middle. I got these from Walmart, so I'm probably going to take that one back because that will drive me crazy. But other than that, I love how they turned out. I think they are gorgeous, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and consider hitting the like button and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. See y'all in the next one. Bye.